So now I'd like to play media on an object. So I actually have this kind of like a billboard that was already set up for before. So I want to see if maybe I can use the other side of it. Perhaps. Let's check this out and see. Okay. So now if I right click on here and create, I go into texture, click on media. Okay, so I'm at texture and I want to switch this to media and make sure it's on select face, so it's just going on this side, and choose. I'll click OK here. Okay, now I'm going to paste in a short little video I found online. So I'll apply this. And click OK. So waiting for that to appear. And in the meantime, I should go over, give it a name. So this was the Michael Kors show that I had put in from before. So now it looks like something's here, but I'm probably going to have to rotate it a bit. Okay, and it looks like the video is playing, but let me turn down the volume a little bit here, and it looks like it's playing.